Fluxwrap by North Slope Chillers is a powerful temperature solution that's not afraid of double duty. Whether you seek to heat or cool, liquid circulates through the Fluxwrap, regulating the temperature of your containers and equipment. It's simple. Wrap the flexible neoprene jacket around your container and attach the ends. Fluxwrap creates premium thermal conductivity and will maintain contact even over irregular surfaces. Attach the hoses and install the insulation. Now you're ready to regulate your critical temperatures. Because it's lightweight and compact, Fluxwrap is easy to install and remove. Fluxwrap works. In 2016, a large manufacturer with a factory in Mexico had lost up to $40,000 every week due to the high ambient temperatures in the plant. Varnish in their 55-gallon drums was curing while still in the barrel. North Slope Chillers supplied 6 portable chillers and Fluxwraps for the drums to stage on their production line and eliminate losses. Change the way you approach temperature control. Use Fluxwrap for your critical temperature applications.